students, how are you all? I hope you are finding this video in a good situation. So let us begin our today's topic. As you can see in previous topic what we have discussed, we will go ahead with. You can see here there is a unit 1 in that humor subheading. As I have explained you, with that we have went with the reading A, means lesson the tattered blanket. Yes, we have gone through it. Now reading B. So in this we are having a short poem. It is My Mother. Yes, no need of explanation, as you know, my mother. So it is about Rabindranath Tagore. It is about Rabindranath Tagore. So before going to the poem, just we'll read few sentences about Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 to 1941. So he born 1861 and he has expired on 1941. Is popularly known as Vishwakavi and Gurudev. What he is popularly known as Vishwakavi and Gurudev. He was the founder of Shantiniketan. So there is a Shantiniketan, right? He founded that Shantiniketan, an experimental school. So what is Shantiniketan? This is an experimental school. There are many inventions and experiments in that school, a popular school. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for his Gitanjali, the Song of Offerings. So he got Nobel Prize for which books? Gitanjali and Song of Offerings. Each of his poems reflects Indian vision and love towards his motherland. So about what he used to write, his poems reflects it used to say about the Indian vision, how India is going to be, and towards motherland. So motherland is nothing but India only. He is considered the voice of Indian heritage and spiritualism. So he is considered as a voice of Indian heritage and spiritualism, the customs and the things we follow, is it? So this is about Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Now we'll start the poem. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometime in the midst of the play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings, the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. So what he is saying, he did not remember his mother, how she used to be, but he remembered some memories, like in the midnight mother, what she used to do, she used to she used to go with the cradle, like she used to push and pull the cradle, that is nothing but hover over my playthings, means she used to do it like this in the air, his playthings. We can say the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. So she used to pull and push the cradle. Meanwhile, some playthings will be there, no, with that she used to hover it. Hover it means it is like doing in the air like this, and some sound is coming from that, no. This Rabindranath Tagore is there, no, he is saying that as a song. Okay, then come to second para. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the air. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning. So again he is saying he did not remember how his mother exactly is, and he is saying that in autumn morning, but in early autumn morning. What is autumn? Summer to winter, entering into summer to winter, a season will come where there will be a days will be short and temperature will be varied on the daytime, and night mostly it will be cold. So during that early autumn, the smell of the shelly flower floats in the air. What is shelly flower? Shelly flower is nothing but small white or orange flowers that bloom in autumn. So in autumn season there will be a flowers. Yes, it's blooming. Okay, it's coming and it's spreading. So What he's saying, the smell of the tulip flower floats in the air. The scent of the morning services in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. So the smell of tulip flowers, as I said you, the flowers which will be coming in the month of autumns. Okay, so and the smell of the flowers and scent, it's coming to him and he is considering it is as scent of my mother. Yes, coming to the third paragraph, I cannot remember my mother. Again he is saying he is not remember his mother. Only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky, I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face and spread all over the sky. So here what he is saying is nothing but he did not remember his mother, but from his bedroom what he is doing, he is keeping his eye a distance till where his eyes are going, till there he is looking at the sky and he is seeing and he is continuously staring and he is spreading his face, that is nothing but continuously without any disturbance he is looking at the sky for his mother. For this paragraph you can see in the picture. Yes, how he is seeing and assuming that his mother is there. In the same way, for first paragraph you can see this picture, how his mother, she is moving, pushing and pulling the cradle. Once I will read from here to here for your reading purpose. Just concentrate on the pronunciation. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometime in the midst of the play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the tulip flowers floats in the air, the scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. I cannot remember my mother. Only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky, I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. So your today's work is you have to write this poem and about the poet also as it is along with the pictures. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.